What up, guys? We're at it again. Let's see what we could find here. I'm gonna make a pause because there's quite a few people here, and I don't want to get beat to anything. So I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So unfortunately, no Super, but at least I got the awesome Honda Civic and the Nissan Skyline. This would have been the Super, but unfortunately, no dice. Gonna leave this one behind. And I'm taking these two awesome pieces with me. Let's see what else we could find. All right, guys, so I came over to this side. We went through all of these. And there's a bunch of repeats. So, I mean, they have a few good ones, you know, like this cool Porsche, but I'm trying to cut back on those. And I also came over to this side, found Fast and Furious, picked up this cool Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno. I picked up the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32 and the 2003 Honda NSX-R. Nice score. I think that is it at this store, guys. Gonna take a quick look. Nope, that's it, guys. What's up, guys? Let's see what they have in store for us. Looks like they stocked up on the Hot Wheels. Finally. It's been a minute, so let's get digging, guys. So 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. We have got the Humvee. Let's see what we have back here. Here's the Nissan Patrol Custom. The USS Enterprise NCC 1700 is back. Here we have the Monster High Goldmobile. Seeing the Escort. Here's the Surf's Up. And here is the Zinger 21C. This one's new for 2024. Here's a recolor of the Ford GT40. The Custom Auto. Here's a Legends Tour winner, Mazda AutoZone. The Fiat 560e. Nice. Take a look at the VW T2 pickup. I'm trying to go as quickly as I can, guys, because, you know, I want to avoid this at all possible. And other collectors coming in. See, here I am dropping stuff. So here's the limited grip. Pretty cool. Here's the 2018 Camaro SS. Nice. I never thought I was going to find this one, the Nissan Skyline RS. This car is awesome, guys. Definitely taking that one. Here's a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Another Camaro. '19 Ford Ranger Raptor with the HKS livery. Sweet. Here's the Audi RS e-tron GT. Pretty nice looking car. It's got some nice details on the front and back. Another Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Ford GT40. El Segundo Coupe. Here's the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda convertible. Lolux. And a doesn't look like there's anything else, guys. Here's the Mighty K. Custom auto. Here's a cool Corvette C6. Love the deco on this one, man. Very nice. And yeah, guys, it doesn't look like there's anything else. So I'm gonna pick up my mess and I'll be right back. Alright guys, picked up my mess. See, nothing on the floor, nothing on the shelves. So this is what I'm taking so far. And let's keep on looking. Fast and Furious. Nothing new for premiums. 2-packs. Looks like they already picked up the Mitsubishis. Let's see. Some Matchbox. Nothing of interest. Already. We have the moving parts. New packaging. Mitsubishi, I already have that one, and of course the 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, which I also picked up. Let's see what else they have, guys. Nothing else, guys. That is it. Down here they have the cool larger scale, the 124s. There's a green machine back there. It's ugly though. Yep. Let's see here. Green lights. Yeah. Let's see what they have over here. Nada, guys. Alright guys, that is pretty much it at this store. Let's move on to the next one. What up, fam? Let's see what we can find today. Fortunately, nothing new from mainlines. Bag warmers have not stocked up on the premiums. But hello, look what we just found, guys. The all-new Car Culture Team Transporter. So here we have the 1997 Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR and the Fleet Street. That's a pretty good looking hauler, man. Nice. I'm sure Derek is going to love this one. The 1986 Porsche 959 and the Euro hauler. This is very cool. The 33 Willys and the Speedways. It's a pretty cool truck, man. And we have another Porsche and another Mercedes back there. So I'm going to be taking one of each to complete the set. Leave these two for somebody else. Let's see what else we can find over here. Bag warmers, Bronco. Don't care for those. So there's nothing else, unfortunately, guys, but you know, I picked up some pretty cool stuff. Pretty happy. So pretty good haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.